Hello everyone and welcome to another session of cool things you can do with Knapsack. My name is Jake Love and I'm a solutions architect here at Knapsack. Today's topic is adding variants in the UI that create production ready code. We'll be exploring how our product's ability to connect templates empowers users to craft variations directly within the UI. Not only does this simplify the process, but it also ensures that each variation automatically generates robust production ready code for immediate use in production applications. Let's go ahead and get started. First, we're going to click this blue edit button to go ahead and get into our edit mode. Once we have our new branch created, we'll go ahead and move over to our components. Next, we're going to go down into the card section where we're going to create our new variation. We'll move into our React space here. Let's add a new variation. Let's call this read more. I'm going to add some body text. Next, I'm going to grab an image for the card. Do the same thing with our title and the same with our label as well. Lastly, we can actually add some patterns to this as well. So because this is going to be a blog post, we're going to make this have an author. Let's add Brenna. And then we'll add one more pattern. We're going to use a button. Since this is a blog, need to be able to click a button to get to it. We're going to save these changes. Okay, that looks great. So now if we look down here, here is the production ready code that once this npm package is installed in a library, you essentially could copy and paste this code right into your core application. And there you have it, variations within Knapsack.